Now our InDesign portfolio is more or less complete. We've got the cover page, we've got the page 3 About You page, we've got images and captions all the way through, and then we've got the last page, the back cover, already completed. So in this video, I just want to look at tweaking and adjusting, I guess, the design and the colors. So for instance, if you go to the front cover, let's say you want to change the color of the red kind of grunge background. Now, if your TIFF file was saved with layers, this is easily done. And the way you do it is you right click, you select the background image, as I have here, you right click it, and you go to Edit with Photoshop. And this will open up the original file in Photoshop, and you'll see when it opens up that I've actually got two layers that make up this image. I've got this grunge background, and then I've got this background layer. So if I want to change the background color, let's say for instance I want to go Command U and just make it a more sort of a turquoise blue color. Let's say something like that. Okay, if I now close that and save it, when I go back to InDesign, the color has been automatically adjusted. So that's pretty amazing that you can do that. Let's say, for instance, though, that you don't want just the background on the front cover, you want it on all the pages. So what I would do here is I would cut it, Command X, from the cover page. Know that the logo and the text is still there. I would go to the master page and I would paste it here. Okay, so you can see it covers up both pages lovely. Now when you go to page 1, it's back again, but more than that, it's also on every other page. And of course, if you want to treat it like this, you'd have to make some adjustments. So for instance, this black logo, you have to switch it with the white logo. So you would go back to place or Command D and switch it with the reverse one. The text, remember we use paragraph styles for that. So if you bring up your style palette for paragraphs, you double click where it says body copy, and where it goes to basic color, I think it's under color. Let me just remember where it is. It should be, here it is, character color. So you choose character color and you say to it, I want now my body copy to be white. Click OK, and all the body copy changes to white every time it has an instance, except with here. Of course, we have got a problem here because we've got white text on a white background. So what we can do here is change the rectangle color from white to black. And you can still see through it. You know, if I zoom in, you can still see through it. But that's the way you fix that problem. And all the way to the end, it's been corrected. At the back again, you can select the text for the contact details and the name. Click here, choose text color white. Click on the logo at the back, Command D, and swap it with the reverse. And now you have a completely different looking portfolio where you've got this beautiful grunge background running all the way through. So that's something to think about as well.